Leafhoppers eat a variety of grasses, shrubs, and garden plants. While this damage is often minimal, these insects also produce a sugary waste material called honeydew. Honeydew attracts ants and will eventually rot on leaf surfaces, developing sooty mold. In this video, we'll go over how to detect leafhoppers, how to control their activity, and how to prevent them from coming back. Check the video's description for timestamps if you want to jump to a specific point. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about pest control, click the links in the video's description and get free shipping on your order. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. Many species of leafhoppers may be found in the United States. Generally, leafhoppers are wedged-shaped insects that can grow to be 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch in length. They have slender, elongated bodies that can be cylindrical or slightly flattened. Their bodies can vary in colors that include shades of green, brown, or gray. They can also display patterns that include accents of blue, red, yellow, and orange with stripes, specks, or patches. Leafhoppers can bear some resemblance to other pests like tree hoppers. While these insects look similar, they have distinct habits and characteristics that may require different approaches to treatment. The key difference between leafhoppers and tree hoppers are their body shapes. Leafhoppers have more simple body shapes, while tree hoppers usually bear bizarre helmet-like structures that give them unique body shapes. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what to look for, check your property to confirm the pest's presence or find activity hotspots. Leafhoppers are more active in warmer climates where any vegetation can grow. They frequently infest gardens, lawns, and other ornamental plants. These insects thrive in warm, sunny conditions from late spring to early fall. Be on the lookout for the pests themselves and signs of feeding activity. Ant activity on your property may indicate honeydew production, which will also create sooty mold. After identifying your pest and inspecting your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE, and remember to keep people and pets out of the treated areas until products settle completely. To control leafhoppers on your property, start with an application of Supreme IT. Supreme IT is a Bifenthrin-based liquid insecticide concentrate that is labeled to treat over 70 different pests. When applied, Supreme IT will leave a residual chemical barrier that will control pests for up to 90 days after application. This product is a liquid concentrate, so it will need to be mixed with water. For residential applications, you can use a handheld sprayer or a backpack sprayer. First, mix and apply a solution at the labeled rate of 0.25 to 0.5 fluid ounces of product in 1 gallon of water to apply over 1,000 square feet of treatment area. Apply evenly over turf using a fan or cone spray pattern to ensure full coverage. We also recommend you spray shrubbery and ornamentals from above and below to coat all leaf surfaces. Spray all foliage to the point of wet but not runoff. If you have plants, trees, or crops that are grown for consumption, you may want to apply EcoVia 3-in-1 natural insecticide instead. This product is a FIFRA 25B exempt botanical insecticide made with essential oils formulated for use on ornamentals and crops. This product is a liquid concentrate, so it needs to be mixed with water. EcoVia may be applied with a handheld pump sprayer, a backpack sprayer, or ultra-low volume spraying equipment. To treat leafhoppers, mix 0.5 to 2.5 fluid ounces of product into 1 gallon of water. Spray foliage from above and below to coat all leaf surfaces. Prevention is essential to keeping pests in check. Even after applying pesticides, the best way to stop pest activity is to ensure it can't happen. Make your property less conducive to insect activity with proper lawn maintenance. Mow your grass at proper intervals to maintain a thick growing density, reduce the shade cast on your lawn by trimming overgrown shrubbery and tree branches, rake away leaf litter and pick up any debris, and employ a proper watering schedule to provide the local grass with enough water to strengthen its roots, but not so much that will encourage weeds. Many grasses require 1 inch of water every week. Apply the water all at once in the morning so it has time to seep into the ground without evaporating in the sun. Finally, keep up with preventive applications of your pesticide products. One application of Supreme IT will last for up to 90 days, so we recommend quarterly applications to maintain protection year-round. EcoVia 3-in-1 may be reapplied in 24-hour intervals until pest activity has reduced to desired levels of control. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop leafhoppers from littering your property, and we offer fast, free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos, and contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.